Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your shapes here on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So start by adding a shape like, for example, a triangle or a circle or a square to your presentation by clicking on that icon here at the top menu, shape, and from that menu below, hover your mouse over shapes and select the shape type you would like to use. So let me go, for example, with a simple triangle like that. After that, draw it here or place it or position it on your slide just like this, all intuitively with your mouse. Release your mouse. And what you want to do, guys, to change the default color, which is in this case here white, is click on this button or icon here, fill color, and select your preferred color from that list below. Like, for example, I don't know, that greenish tone here. You may also go for transparent, with a transparent shape by clicking on transparent here. And as you can see now, it is transparent. However, there's still that outline. So to change that, simply select border color here and again, select transparent. So now, as you can see, the triangle is almost invisible. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you change your shape color on Google Slides. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.